Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video, let's fix that this device is connected to some network but no internet. So when you have that situation, it usually means that there is communication breakdown between your phone's software and the router. So we're gonna forget and reconnect to some Wi-Fi network. Let's open settings on your device and let's go to connections, and from here select Wi-Fi option. Now next to the current network you want to tap this gear icon and let's select forget in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the network once again to reconnect to it. Now we want to enter its password and let's press connect button. And now your phone should now have Wi-Fi. That means internet. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.